Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Vicbear mini portable printer set. This tiny gadget promises to bring instant printing to your fingertips, and it comes packed with goodies. Inside the box, you get the mini printer itself, plus a generous supply of printing paper. 5 rolls of sticker paper, 4 rolls of white plain paper, and 3 rolls of colored plain paper. The printer is incredibly compact, measuring just 3.3 by 3.3 by 1.8 inches and weighing a mere 5 ounces. It's truly pocket-sized. Despite its small size, it delivers a respectable 203 dpi resolution for black and white prints. Setting it up is a breeze. You'll need to download the Tiny Print app, which is available for both phones and tablets. The app connects to the printer via Bluetooth, and once connected, you unlock a ton of creative possibilities. The Tiny Print app is surprisingly powerful. It allows you to print photos, labels, to-do lists, web pages, and even documents. There's also a library of pre-designed materials, including festive themes, animals, plants, and more. The possibilities seem endless. This mini printer isn't just for fun, it's practical too. It can be used as a sticker printer for customizing belongings or creating fun decorations. It also functions as a receipt printer, which is handy for small business owners or anyone who wants to keep track of expenses. Students can use it to print study notes or to-do lists, making it a great tool for organization. And of course, it's perfect for printing those spontaneous photos and capturing memories on the go. The Vicbear mini printer set is a versatile gadget with a wide range of applications. The inclusion of multiple paper types is a definite plus, ensuring you have the right material for any project. It could be an ideal gift for students, creative individuals, or anyone who appreciates the convenience of instant printing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.